We're out here today with Warren Distribution, who's a co-packer of various motor lubricants, and we're looking at the various Hitachi solutions that we've provided for their date coating. They started with black inks and they moved on to blue inks and eventually yellow inks. At one point they were a beta tester for a new ink for us, and they used some invisible UV inks.
And we had a customer required an ink that would pop a little more for their batch code and their dates they wanted on their bottle. So Palco came in and we ran several different types of ink.
We probably have made 3 or 4 different ink transitions, possibly for an industry specification to a customer specification.
The yellow seemed to pop well on our multicolored bottles because we run a whole rainbow of colors for customers.
We're always trying to innovate upon what currently exists, and that's just part of Hitachi's motto. I think when you look at competitors, a lot of times they're just trying to find the most marketable solution, but not necessarily the most innovative solution. And Hitachi's always trying to push the upper limit of what's possible, and that carries through the printer into the ink and all of Hitachi's products.
The nice thing about the Hitachi printer is you weren't buying a whole new printer. You were basically going through, doing a filter change, flushing out the old ink, bringing in the new ink, and so the transition there was critical to their success and ours by allowing them to save money, by not having to purchase new equipment in order to meet those other demands.
Hitachi's commitment to research and development has allowed us to stay on the cutting edge and provide products that aren't found elsewhere in the market.
Tie in a good product, tie in a good service department, and tie in good service training with the customers, you're absolutely getting a top-notch product.
It just shows us that the wide variety of products that we offer are really required in the market, and the voice of the distributor is really the voice of the customer for us, and we have been able to implement that and become a solution that's viable for Warren. And it's really nice to hear that all of the research and development that we do does eventually get seen by the end user.
The Hitachi printer will print on anything that we run by it. It doesn't matter what the material is.